Hi, this is the subject. This is Rainy. We're going to experiment on her. The mad scientist has left the room. Here she comes. Torture devices in hand. The subject is unaware of her predicament. Okay. Oh, she's trying to find a way to escape. What are you doing, Allison?
I am going to give a cafeteria menu of items to Rainy. So we're going to see what she likes best of toys and what she likes best of food and treats. And then we're going to see what she likes best between the toys and treats.
Okay. I predict she'll like treats the best.
Okay, so do I. Rainy, let's start with just a couple different toys.
She apparently likes me best. Hi.
Rainy. Well, there's also attention that they might like best.
Now, what did she just tell you?
Rainy.
She's going to the ball.
Right now she's going to the ball. So we switch it to see if it's anything to do with direction. Decide that it's on Rainy.
Rainy, come back.
Rainy. Rainy.
Pick a toy.
Rainy. Well, she kind of picked the ball again.
Keeps
so
going to the ball.
we're going to go to that one, and we will match it up against another ball. Rainy. Rainy. You want a toy? Well, I think she's already telling us food is going to be what she picks because she's not showing any interest in any of the balls.
What if you roll them both at her?
Rainy.
Oh. Allison, grab both at the same time. She has no preference.
No interest in those little static toys. So now we're going to try. Oh, well, yes. The ball was one, so we'll also put it up against this. Rainy. Kick toy. Want to play with a kick toy? Rainy. Which one? Well, you kind of looked at the ball again, but Rainy.
Might be a problem when it's
Yeah,
close to dinner
again,
time.
she's looking at the ball. Okay, so let's do this. Rainy,
There's nothing up there, goofball.
Rainy, Rainy, Rainy. Very strongly picking the ball. Okay, Rainy, I like this. Well, that's got a little bit of
Oh, well,
interest.
that definitely.
There we go. Okay, we take the ball away. Oops, no, actually we do this. Switch them. Switch sides. Still the feather, still the battery operated toy. Okay, and last toy, we have a puzzle toy. Balls. Or we have this. Which one shall it be? Maybe the puzzle toy? Maybe. Maybe. Oh, we have a winner, the puzzle toy. Okay. So, let's go to what I'm sure she has been waiting for. Rainy. Food. So let's see, we're going to start with both crunchy, but we will choose. One is chicken and one is salmon. I did not quite have it ready, which I should have. I always have everything ready ahead of time. Sorry, lady. Okay. So. Rainy? You have a preference? She picked the salmon. Okay. Now we switch. which one? And you're still picking the chicken, and the salmon, sorry. Okay. So we got salmon. That was crunchy. Now we're going to try it with soft treats, which, let's go with 2 different flavors again. Follow the way to your heart, Rainy is food. Okay, so we have salmon and turkey. Well, that was salmon that you picked.
She's not just picking the one that's closest.
She might be picking what's closest to her. We shall find out. Because I'm going to switch. And I'm also going to put you right here, so you're right in the middle. Which one are you going to pick? Salmon!
Okay, do it one more time,
Okay.
but hold them in a closed fist
Okay.
so that she can smell them both and see which one she tries to get at.
Good idea. Okay. Gonna move you back.
Not too close, you want the smell to come out.
Oh. Well, now she's picking
Show her the other
turkey.
one. Show her the...
Oh. Well, you want me to try it again?
Yes, please.
Okay.
Close enough she can't get at them. Make sure she smells both.
Okay, Rainy. I'm gonna smell this one. Smell this one. And they're both here. Which one are you gonna pick? Well, she went for the turkey this time, which was also my right hand.
Okay.
I'm not sure if we've seen a consistency between right and left hand. We'd have to look back at the video. Okay. So let's go with soft is against hard. Let's see. Okay, back up. And you can smell. You can smell. And then put it here. Which one are you going to go for? And this time you went for the soft one.
Salmon.
And it's salmon. Well, we have 2 salmons, but she went for the soft salmon. But now I will switch sides. So we're going to put in different hands. We're back. Smell, smell. And which one are you going to take? And this time she took the crunchy salmon. So I think it's just food
Okay,
in general.
I got an idea. So how
Yes.
many total treats do you have?
We have a couple more treats.
Okay.
So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Go ahead, do those 2.
We have. I'm going to take soft salmon, crunchy salmon, and this is a chicken pack treat. It's a chicken flavor. Rainy, which one? Well, now you're trying the chicken crunchy treat. So let's switch hands, put you back so make sure that you are the same amount of distance from each other, and now you go for. Most of the time it's been my right hand, although she did pick the left hand a couple times, I think, at least. So let's put this one up against. Oh, I do not have this open. Put it up against, we just, obviously food is a strong motivator. Which one are you gonna go for? What if I switch? Which one are you gonna go for? And, haha! I still think it's predominantly she goes for the right hand.
Okay. So that's it, or do you have any more?
That's all for the treats. We
Okay.
can put her up against Toy the treat.
Now I'm going to sit on her. I want you to put a line of all the treats 1 inch apart.
Okay.
She's going to watch you put them out there.
It's gonna be hard to do the loose because It kind of has to be squeezed.
Well, you squeeze that a little bit out of the floor.
But
Okay, you're gonna wait, Rainy.
put a little bit
Even
of
though you don't want to.
crunchy thing.
No, stay.
A little bit of this.
Stay.
This is cat heaven. To any cat that loves treats.
Put them close together.
Okay.
She's gonna freak out.
We got 2 more to go, Rainy, stay.
No.
Rainy, stay. And she may.
Put them closer together, please.
Okay.
Closer. I don't care about the bags, but the treats
But I
closer
need to
together.
know what they
I know,
are.
but they're on the same order. Ready?
Okay.
Go.
Rainy, what do you want to pick? Oh, the camera. Okay.
Suddenly you
And
don't want
then
anything.
she wants me. Okay.
Rainy,
Treats are here.
come back. Come back. Do you see it? Point at the treats. Point at the treats. Point.
Rainy,
Point.
Rainy.
Point all of them.
Look, treats.
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 What'd she take?
That
Turkey.
one was our only one that I don't have a label to. No, it was a chicken. It was a chicken stick. It's chewy.
And now she's. See what order she does them.
She's doing the salmon mousse.
Take that one away now. Just going
Then
in
she
order.
did chicken. No, she skipped the turkey.
Did she?
And now she's doing, that's a salmon, but it's a soft. Now she's doing a salmon crunchy.
I don't think she really cares.
She's missed one. She hasn't seen it. And there we go. But she started on this side. Again, the right hand. I think she likes things basically on the right.
She goes left to right. Her
Okay.
left to right.
One.
You're right, but her left to right.
Now, so let's put that all away. And the most favorite treat that cats usually like, put up against food.
What?
I mean, the favorite treat cats usually like, put up against a toy. Rainy, which one do you want to do? You want to play or you want to eat?
Oh, doy.
And she wants to eat. Can I entice you? Can I entice you? No. We have a clear winner. There it is! Good girl. Thank you.
And what have we learned?
That Rainy is motivated by food.
And did we not know that already?
Oh, we already knew that. But sometimes we do discover things by doing this.
Did we?
Not today. Other than she seemed to most often go to the right. And she does not have a preference of any kind of food, as long as it's food.
Yes.
You know, she loves me.
Yes.